If you want to change the font size on your Snapchat, here are some easy steps that you can follow. First of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Open a chat and capture a snap. Now enter your text. For that, tap on the text icon at the top and then enter a text. Once you're done, you can use a pinch gesture with 2 fingers to resize the chat and drag the text to reposition it. Another method you can follow is go to your settings, scroll down and go to display. Again, scroll down and go to font size and style. Tap on it. Now adjust the font size slider to make the text larger or smaller. Some Android devices may also have an accessibility function for larger text. And for iPhone, you can go to display and brightness and then go to text size and move the slider to adjust the text size like I did on Android. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.